I don't want to do my homework. I don't feel like doing my homework. Going, we better figure this one out. Now, if you look under the hood, yes, indeed, the computer starts to count from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now I'm going to translate this language into human world. Boom, just like that. Okay? So over here, I took some time and extremely carefully, I had wrote down these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. H stands for human, C stands for computer. So in the human world, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the computer world, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what I want you to do is to close your eyes and imagine this picture at the top right corner if you're right-handed, and in the top left corner if you are left-handed. It's just going to make it easier to visualize. Okay? Then open your eyes, look at the screen, okay, and keep the picture there. I'm going to remove mine and see if you can project this hallucination to a reasonable degree. It doesn't have to be super accurate or super visible or whatnot onto the screen. See if you can hallucinate this onto the screen using your imagination. All right. Can you see this on the screen? Can you project a handwritten 1 over here as for the human representation of the ways things are being accounted for? And 2 here, and 4 here, and 5 here. Let's go back to this side of the screen and do this again. Now, our goal here and our intent is whenever you see 0 here or a zero-based system, you go, whatever. It's just a zero-based system, and it's supernatural to you. It's almost as natural as counting from 1. That's the intent and the ultimate goal. What you want to stay away from is any sorts of feeling or states of confusion, going like, oh, 0. All right, move away from this. The background is the background. What we're left with is just pure skill. And you just want to have 2 ways of counting. One, human-friendly, starts from 1, and the second one is 0, which is computer-friendly and starts from 0. Okay? Now, if you require additional help to get to the point where you can seamlessly switch back and forth, I would suggest that you take your finger from your dominant hand and you raise it up into the air and you draw these numbers in the air and see them appear on the screen. You know, help your imagination with your actual hand. That is trick number 1. Now, trick number 2 is you can grab a piece of paper, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the left, and then go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right, and then stick that piece of paper on the fridge or any other visible place that will be there for you for the next couple of days. And let's say you had put it on the fridge, so whenever you come to the fridge or you open the fridge, you go, and you look at that, and you make sure that when you see zero-based system, you feel comfortable and you feel fluent in it, okay? The more comfortable you get with it, the better, okay? So the next day you're going to go, you look at this, you go back in your memory to this conversation, in your mind's eye, you draw these guys onto the appropriate place, wherever you are, whenever you are. And I guarantee, like, if there was any hill to climb in the beginning with this zero-based business, after 2 days of going, okay, this is just what it is, you're going to be super comfortable with it. Okay, so our ultimate objective is to get here, being able to